Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that many of us grapple with: how to boost your income while juggling a full-time job. Whether you're aiming to build your savings, pay off debt, or simply enjoy some extra spending money, stick around because we've got some valuable insights coming your way. First up, let's talk about the precious commodity we all wish we had more of: time. Balancing a full-time job alongside other commitments can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Take a close look at your daily schedule and identify any potential pockets of time that you can dedicate to a side hustle. Maybe it's waking up an hour earlier each morning, dedicating your lunch break to productive tasks, or utilizing your weekends more efficiently. Remember, every minute counts, so make sure to use your time wisely. Now, let's delve into the various avenues through which you can generate extra income. One popular option is freelancing or consulting within your field of expertise. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can serve as excellent platforms to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. Start by taking on small projects to build your reputation and gradually expand your clientele. In addition to freelancing, consider tapping into the digital realm. Have you ever thought about starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast? Sharing your knowledge, passions, or experiences online can attract a loyal audience over time. As your following grows, you can explore monetization options such as sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or even selling digital products. Another strategy for increasing your earning potential is to invest in your own education and skill development. Take advantage of online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare to acquire new skills or certifications relevant to your industry. By continuously enhancing your expertise, you'll not only become more valuable to your current employer, but also open up opportunities for career advancement and higher-paying roles in the future. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: passive income. Unlike active income, which requires your direct involvement and effort, passive income streams allow you to earn money with minimal ongoing work. This could involve renting out a spare room or property on platforms like Airbnb, investing in dividend-paying stocks or rental properties, or creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or stock photography. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making extra income while working full-time. Remember, achieving financial success requires both diligence and creativity. Be proactive in seeking out opportunities, prioritize continuous learning and skill development, and don't underestimate the power of passive income in building long-term wealth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal finance and career development. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.